Chuck's Truck by Peggy Anderson. This is Chuck. This is Chuck's truck. Chuck rides in his truck. A duck, Luck, rides in truck with Chuck. The chicken that goes cluck rides in the truck with Duck, Luck, and Chuck. Chuck dogs Nip and Tuck climb onto. The burro back jumps onto the truck. The workhorse Huck, fat cat Pat wants to go too. Don't forget Sue and Lou. And then they go meet the old goat, Flo, and so on. Bus stop. When they get to town, the truck, boom, brakes, pow, down. So Sue and Lou and the great Flo too, Nip and Tuck and the burro Buck, fat cat Pat and the workhorse Chuck with a duck Luck, the chicken goes cluck. The Chuck get a friend and tow a truck. Chuck is sad. The animals hope it's not that bad. They call for help from a handyman. He hurls over to his whole crew. They know exactly what to do. Together they make the truck like new. Here is Chuck. Here is Chuck's truck. It's all ready to go to town. This time Chuck's truck will not break down.